Carolina, northern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 5:30 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Francis Marion University to near Gapway, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Dillon, Mullins, Latta, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Sellers, Fork, Blue Brick, Zion, Hammer, Mars Bluff, Gapway, Rains, Oak Grove, Francis Marion University, Barnesville, Bingham, Floridale, and Smithboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We have one of the
Here are the 4 p.m. observations. It will